Okay?
Can I speak?
Yes.
So, I mean, he didn't even ask
But I'm
me.
going to tell you right now.
Mhm.
I have Mr. Gramstrup. I can't see you, Mr. Gramstrup, but I do see that you have audio. But that's okay. But what you say right now,
Mhm.
there are certain things that are client-attorney confidential. Okay? So
I'm not trying to talk about the case and stuff.
Oh,
That's
I know,
just
but
how
if
I
you
feel
say
about it.
something, it could open the door to allow other things to be said. But I know that you have indicated, or at least through the motion presented by or filed by Mr. Gramstrup, that you have some issues or concerns.
Well, many, yes. I mean, I can barely usually even get a hold of the guy. The only time I really start to talk to him is after I get something in the mail from what I'm assuming is the district attorney. I mean, I paid $1,500 out of pocket now, and I can't even get a meeting with the guy. I mean, years of my life are at stake. I might not even see my kid go through high school. I'd like some form of open communication. And I mean, for as far as I know, I don't even know if he asked the district attorney anything that I said at all. That's not on any form of record.
Well, and I can't ask him, and there won't generally be any record.
Right. So I have to trust someone. I understand you appointed him as trickier, but I'm trusting someone with, I could be 10 years of my life here. You know what I mean? And I can't even get, it's like a 15 phone call, email to one ratio of my getting a hold of him. I'm just, like I said, it's years of my life here.
Mr. Gramstrup?
Thank you, Your Honor. I don't think communication has been an issue here at all. Mr. Berg and I have had many discussions and communications. I've kept him updated as to everything. It's true that he and I have never had a face-to-face meeting, but I've never refused that. I don't recall that he's ever asked to come in and meet with me. Additionally, there are maybe 5 of my clients that have my cell phone number. Mr. Berg is one of them. And he and I have communicated many times by text and over my cell phone, and I've been responsive. The issue that I have is, I think what this boils down to is why he's asked that I be discharged is you'll see in my affidavit, there is an issue that actually I think requires me to withdraw pursuant to the rules of professional responsibility. And what it boils down to, Your Honor, is he has requested that I file something that if I do, could very well subject me to discipline. And I've explained to him the reasons for that, and the reasons that I won't do it, but he doesn't accept that. And I spoke with him again this week, and he's indicated that that's the reason that he wants to terminate me. It was only in that conversation when he said to me, that's the first time he's ever raised that he thinks there's a communication problem, was this, I think, Tuesday of this week when I spoke with him. That's the first time. I don't see that as being a big issue, and I don't have an issue with Mr. Berg. It's just what he's demanded that I do, and when I indicate I wouldn't do it, my reasons why, then and he affirmed again on Tuesday that that's the reason that he wants to terminate my representation.
Knowing this and knowing that there is this contention, I will not place Mr. Gramstrup in this position. I will not continue to do that because I respect him as a legal professional, and I won't have him put his professional career on the line for you, Mr. Berg, or for anyone else. Therefore, I will remove him from your case, but I will appoint another attorney. You don't get this chance again. If you discuss this with another attorney, the other attorney says the exact same thing, you're not going to get to be able to remove that attorney, okay? You will have to retain your own private attorney, and you deal with the private attorney that's charging the $500, $600 an hour, not the $100 an hour. You get the benefit of a court-appointed attorney, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.